up to 30 inches in selected areas, but here on the North Shore it's more predictable to get 26 inches up to. If you can see right now at my feet, it's just a couple of inches, maybe not even, but we're going to have updates later on today and into the night on how to, what to expect, live from Salem, Massachusetts, CN Network.
Go.
It's 3:30 on, what day is it?
Friday.
Friday, February 8th, 2013. This is apparently the blizzard of 2013. This is AJ Conley for Conley Network. Well, it happened again. More snow. You remember last time. It's getting thicker.
What about
To be more? It's coming. Please, take shelter. Run! No, don't run. Stay inside. Be careful.
back up into the car? Write something on the car that we can check in an hour.
As you can see, I wrote "Hi Jim."
And there it is. Hey, Jim!
Yes.
Alrighty.
See ya.
Okay.
It's still Friday. It's getting darker. If you look up and down the street, the snow is starting to cling to the trees. And it's almost going on 5 o'clock. There's a driving ban. Everybody has to not drive, except for those in media and those plowing. Remember Hi Jim? Come up here closely. It's gone. Yeah. I did a little bit of shoveling, but my work has kind of disappeared. Yeah.